What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Peter Griffin from the Family Guy. Let's begin today's lesson on the top center of our page and draw two large circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. We're going to start from the very top. It's going to work our way down towards the bottom and then back up towards the top. Let's leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So we're going to start by lining up the top and I want to bring that down towards the same height and then back up. Let's connect the eyes in the center with a curve from the left going up and then down. And then we'll add a small black dot in the center of each eye. Let's add the nose. In the center, go all the way around towards the right eye, come down, and then just bend that up towards the left. Now from the left eye, we're going to step down and curve the mouth. We're going to come down underneath the nose, go up towards the right, draw a short line coming up and in, and then we'll add a bracket on the left side. Let's go back over towards the right, angle this down and out for the lip, bend this in and then down. Now I'm going to add two curves for the chin, going all the way around, go up in the middle, come down toward the left, around and then up. Now from the outside of the eyes, draw a straight line going out towards the ears. And I'll add the ears, going around and then in, almost like a circle. I'll add a small fold on the inside. From the top of the left ear, we're going to add a curve for the head. We're going to go up, go across. Just going to aim for the right ear, just leaving a gap along the top. Let's go on top of the glasses, curve around and then up. Draw the hairline coming across, go up, and it'll bend that down on the end. Now underneath the hair, curve the head going out and then down. Step in, draw the edge of the hairline coming around. Let's go underneath the ears, draw the head. We're going to bend this out and then down towards the shoulders. Let's curve the collar coming down and in towards the center point. So start with the left side, bending that in, go out and up towards the right. Let's curl the inside edge of the collar. We're going to go out and then down on both sides. And then from the outside, bend the collar coming down and then in. Now from the collar, we're going to step down and curve the body. We're going to go out, come down and then in towards the waist. Let's line this up over on the right. We go out, down, and then in. Let's add a fold. We're going to step up, curve this down, bend that up in the center of the body, come down, and then up on the right. Now from the collar in the middle, draw a straight line coming all the way down towards the bottom, and we'll add some buttons on the left side of center. Start on the top of the circle, let's add a few more coming down. Now from the center of the body, let's step all the way down, draw a straight line coming down towards the heels, and then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. Come down and up towards the left, and then do the same thing on the right. Let's go back to the outside, curve this up, and bend the foot, coming down towards the heel, and curl that back up toward the inside of the leg. Now we want to go back up to the hips, curve the body, coming down and then in towards the outside of the legs. And then we'll bend this out and then down on top of the feet. Let's go to the left side, step down, add a curve for the belt. We're going to come down in the middle, go across and then up. Let's add the buckle in the center with an oval, come around and then up. And then on either side, add two lines coming down for the belt loops. Let's draw the arms starting from the side of the body. Let's start on the left, bend the arm going out and then down towards the wrist with a short curve. And then from here, draw a small half circle for the thumb, close off the end with a bracket. Let's add 3 fingers on either side. Starting from the bottom of the thumb, and come down and then up around that bracket. Go to the side, go out and up with the second finger. And then the third finger, we're gonna go all the way around and just pull it up towards the outside of the collar. Let's do the same thing on the right. Start with that first finger, add the second, and then the third, go all the way around and then in. Let's go back to the inside of the arm and add the sleeve. We're gonna bend this up and then out. Move up and draw that again. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Peter Griffin from the Family Guy. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also check out our other channels. I'll leave the links for you in the description below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.